That's bro. Easy, thank you. Well done, man. Rewind.
We love the Bmws, the Benz, the Porsches. All of my fans, I know they're supporting. Style with nothing but look at us now. Whoever supporting, I'm making you proud. Whoever supporting, I'm making you proud. Salvage Nation, look at the squad. We're up in the front line, look at the car. Look at the car.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. We've got something a little bit different for you today. Got my guy Zach coming down with his M135i. It already looks amazing, but we're going to be transforming it and making it look even better by upgrading the front end to M2 front bumper. Like I said, it's a little bit different. He's about to pull up, so let's go check out the car, and whilst he gets here, I'm going to show you how we got on with preparing that bumper, getting it ready, and then once everything's up to date, we'll get cracking. Let's go! So guys, 1 week earlier, this is the kit that we got. And this consists of everything that we need to transform the front end of my subscriber's M135i, and this is going to give it the M2 comp look. Here is the grills, you saw the bumper, and it's got all the inserts, everything needed. Now we're gonna get straight to work. My guy Mustafa came in and gave a hand, and we need to get this bumper keyed. When I say keyed, I'm talking about scuffing the surface with tiny little screw marks so that the paint has got something to adhere to. It's very important to get into the nooks and crannies, and as this bumper has got a lot of complex edges, lots of curvatures, we took our time and made sure that it was done properly. Once again, if you don't do this, the paint could flake. With that process completed, this is what the bumper looks like. Like I said, the surface has been keyed. Next, I'm using something called panel wipe to clean all the residue from the keying process. And once more, this is what you're left with. Right, time to mix some paint. This is a two-stage, two-step paint. We mixed it up and it was time to lay that paint. My guy Mustafa, he's got 40 years in the game, so he came in and he's laying down that paint. And as you can see, he's going around all the curvatures, all the complex edges first, so that you get a nice, even coating in those crevices before giving the entire bumper its final coats. Now we went ahead and we completed this process, and trust me, this bumper came out amazing, but you need to watch to see how it came out. But for now, let's head back to present day and I'll show you what happened once my subscriber arrived. How was that for an intro? Anyway, my guy came down and I got started with assembling the front bumper and getting it ready to fit onto the car. Bearing in mind it's had a few days to cure, and trust me, it's gonna be sick. Lower grills fitted, it was time to add those M2 comp top kidney grills, and they came together, trust me. So guys, take a look at that. It's got a crisp white front end. My guy Zach has just pulled up, but we're gonna be getting that off. We're getting this bad boy. Have a look at that. You've seen the full process of how we got here, and this thing is gonna look amazing. Now I'm showing it to you like this because you gotta wait to see the finished product. So watch the video to the end. I got my guy Zach here. Zach, what a one? Yeah? So tell me, man, why you wanna get rid of this bumper, put on the other one?
The M2 comp one is just so much more aggressive, isn't it? Like,
yeah.
Obviously, every 1 Series has this. You can only tell the difference from the camera.
Yeah.
Like to say a 118D or something like that.
Yeah.
So just wanted to make it a bit more special, innit?
Yeah, man. And you know what? I've got the same one. You've seen mine outside, right? Yeah. I've got the same one outside, and I was always a bit torn, but To be honest, guys, he came down, and after seeing this, I'm a bit swaying towards this one. But what I want to do is, I'm going to leave it up to you lot. We're going to be swapping this out, as I said. And once it's on, I'm going to put a poll at the end, and I want you to tell me if I should do the same with mine, or if I should take Zach's old bumper and keep mine original. So that's the poll for the end of the video. But for now, no more talking, man. Let's strip down that one and get this bad boy onto the car.
Salvage Nation. We love the Bmws, the Benz, the Porsches. All of my fans are not supporting style with nothing but look at us.
Okay, we know the car looks nice, so let's get to work. First, we had to jack the car up so I can gain access to a ton of screws which are underneath, a ton of screws which are under the bonnet, and also some more screws which are tucked in right here in the wheel arch liner. So on these F20s, F21s, it's really easy once you know where all the screws are. With all of that done, check this out. So guys, it's off with the old one, in with the new. Now before fitting the new bumper, my subscriber wanted to add this mag plate kit. It's pretty easy to install, and this is how I installed it. That was pretty easy. Let's have a quick test. Perfect. Once I refitted all the nuts and bolts, this is the new bumper, compare it to the old, and now we've gone from the stock LCI front bumper to the M2 comp style front bumper, and it has absolutely transformed the front end on this car. So guys, take a look at the finished product. Let me know in the comments down below, which one do you think is nicer? The M2 comp look or the stock M140 look, M135. This is the stock look, and it's got the Maxton design splitter on the bottom. I think that looks good, but this one just looks crazy. That,
Bro,
come on, man.
M2 comp all the way, bro.
Yeah?
Definitely.
Yeah, it just looks so aggressive. So guys, the number one question is, I'm gonna put a poll. Should I get this one for my M140, which is the M2 comp look front bumper, or should I take Zach's existing bumper and just slap that onto my car? Let me know. Now whilst my guy wasn't looking, I nipped away, got a few bits, and I'm gonna surprise him right now. Got a little something for ya.
What's that?
Got a little something for you,
Oh,
mate.
yeah?
Keep it moving.
Come on, always.
Got a little sticker there.
Yeah, slap that one.
And Salvage Nation, these are the new jet tags
Yeah,
for your
come
daily.
on. Come on. Come on.
There you go.
Love my horse.
Bro, it's been a pleasure.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Hope you enjoy it, man. It looks good. I just might be getting one.
There you go.
Nah, it looks hard. Looks hard. We need to get the dummy thing.
Yeah. Maybe a splitter. We'll see.
But if I do get one, I'll be definitely putting on the splitter on it.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about the CS bonnet as well. Gotta slap that bad boy in there, man.
Definitely, bro.
Smell it and tell me how that smells.
What flavour?
That's the
is it?
vanilla.
Vanilla, yeah?
Yeah. That flavour, trust me. Honest opinion.
Banging still.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Say no more.
Keep it moving.
That's it.
Always.
That's the one. So guys, my guy Zach is all good. Have a look, the car looks amazing. I'm still waiting and I'm counting on you lot to get in the comments and let me know which one I should go for. I will be putting a poll at the end of the video. So the winner of the poll, I'm literally gonna either buy Zach's old front bumper or I'm gonna be buying the M2 comp. Let me know. And like I always say, keep it moving. I'll see you in the next one.
Last bro, easy, thank you.
Watching. If you enjoyed that, why don't you check out one of my previous videos on the left? There's plenty in the playlist. And if you want to know more about the Salvage game, why don't you become a member of Salvage Nation and I'll be there to guide you along the way. And don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram if you want to get an inside scoop before YouTube.